Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi Device to Xiaomi Pad 5. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices, tap on the search bars and type in Send Enywhere. Then you need to click on Install. Wait for them to download and select Open. Over here you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now we will do exactly the same on this Xiaomi smartphone, so I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Following that, select Receive on Xiaomi Pad and Send on Xiaomi smartphone. Then tap on all of those dots and choose Send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take some time though, so I will go with only one photo. Choose Send and tap on Got It. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan QR code by clicking on this scanning icon on Xiaomi Pad, choosing while using the app or only this time, and pointing our camera at the code. But we can always just input this key here and click on Receive. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!